how to log someone out of your Roblox account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log someone out of your Roblox account. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Roblox app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the Roblox, what you can do is you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and there you can just tap on settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, what you can do is you can just tap on security, and after that, on the next page, what you have to do is you simply have to scroll down, and there you just have to tap on this option that says device where you are logged in. So here you can just go and check which device that you're currently logged in, and here if you want to log someone out of your Roblox account, then what you can do is you can just tap on this option that says log out of all other session, and here on the pop-up menu just tap on log out again, and this will instantly remove anyone else logged into your account. And with that, for extra security or safety, you can also enable two-step verification. With this will send a code to your email or phone whenever someone tries to log in. And that's it. That's how you can log someone out of your Roblox account. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.